Charles Edrims app. Transform your business into an automated profit system for faster growth. Imagine running a business that keeps expanding even when you're not actively at your desk. Imagine your daily operations working together like a smart system, steadily generating income in the background while you focus on what truly matters. That's exactly the vision behind the Charles Edrims app and the Profit Automation Masterclass, a program designed to show you how to turn your business into an automated profit engine for faster, sustainable growth, led by Dr. Charles Edrims. Whether you're a student, a retiree, a professional, a lawyer, a doctor, or an entrepreneur at any stage, this free webinar will open your eyes to how business automation can transform the way you work, earn, and scale. During this revealing training, Dr. Charles Edrims will walk you through how automation creates steady profit with far less manual effort, how to convert your skills, services, and products into reliable income systems, beginner-friendly steps to start automating even if you're not tech-inclined, and how automation leads to more time, more flexibility, and greater business growth. Before you register, I encourage you to look up Dr. Charles Edrims online. Review his background, his body of work, and the success stories linked to his programs. You'll find authentic feedback, case studies, and proof of impact, because it's always wise to verify the credibility of any program you join. If you're tired of putting in more effort without seeing bigger results, and you're ready to elevate your income, your business, and your future, then this is your moment. Backhand index pointing right, click the link in the description below right now to join the free Profit Automation Masterclass webinar. Seats are limited, and the opportunity may be gone for a while, so don't wait. Make the smart move today. Click the link in the description below to watch the free webinar. See you inside.